Here's the trail. It's really rocky. And this is the most dolly sods looking area that we've seen so far, and we hiked through the forest and it's really dense. So now it's more stunted like all the descriptions. You can see way out there. I don't know if that's the country we drove in to get here. It's all cleared out there. And we're trying to go to Blackbird Knob. And it's kind of scary because there's not very many people around here and it's rural to begin with. So Jay had made a bear stick. And we think that there's wild blueberries here. Oh no. I was kind of thinking maybe those were wild blueberry bushes too. Like the ones like
those?
Like that big bush over there. This right here.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Here's some blueberries.
I don't know if they're blueberries. It's very rocky. And I was told that there would be big open areas with lots of blueberries and good views, but I guess not where we picked. We're in the Monongahela National Forest. It's not easy to figure out where to go. But it's not raining right now. All right.